to create a salary calculator. So, first, kailangan mag-input ng employee name, basic salary, and yung overtime hours. So, yung overtime hours, magkukonsume to ng 150. Then, maliban sa overtime hours, kailangan din natin mag-compute ng gross salary, yung tax na ibabawas, at yung net salary. So, dapat daw naka-format ito into 2 decimal places. So, try natin i-compute. Gawin pala. So, first, sabi, kailangan mag-input ng employee name. So, maglalagay tayo input, employee name. After na employee, salary. Dapat naka-float. Basic salary. Next is yung hours na mako-consume. So, input hours. Lagyan natin number of overtime hours. After nyan, kukumpitin natin yung OT. Gusto ko lang lagyan yan. OT. So, para makuha natin yung overtime hour, kailangan natin yung hours ng pagtatrabaho niya times 150 para makuha natin. Since sabi, assume each overtime hour is worth 150. Next, kailangan din natin computein yung gross. Para makuha yung gross, kailangan natin nung salary. Salary plus yung OT. After nung salary, ng gross, kailangan natin ng tax kasi babawasan daw. So, tax, i-compute naman natin to sa, kukunin natin yung total ng gross. Then, ita-times natin siya sa 0.12 since sabi 12% daw yung kukunin sa tax. Then, next is yung net salary niya. So, ang net salary kukunin natin dito yung gross ulit. Tapos, ima-minus na natin yung tax. Then, ipiprint natin yung report. Ilalagay tayo ng employee salary. Then, naka-F string tayo para malagay sa loob yung employee name para malagay yung variable sa loob, yung may values. Next, overtime salary, naka-float F string ulit, yung overtime hours. So, kailangan dito naka-float siya kasi kahit wala na, pero mas maganda naka-float. I-float ko na lang. Gross salary, naka-curly bracket ulit. Gross, double colon, dot 2F para sa 2 decimal places. After the gross salary, yung 12% na ibabawas. Oops, saan na yun? Tax 2F. Since nakalagay dito tax. Then, lastly, yung net salary niya na, which is net. Then, try natin i-run. Nakalagay dito, Alec, 2, yan. Nakalagay, 25,000. Lagay natin, Alec. Basic salary, 5. Overtime hours, 12. So, ito na yung ating computation at yung report. Since sabi, i-display daw ito ng 2 decimal places. So, may 2 decimal places siya. Okay.